Part of buying a home that you're going to need to prepare yourself for is to have good credit. Typically, we're looking at about 620 as a credit score. When we go through the credit reportings, we want to understand who are the credit reporting agencies. We want to understand the credit report, the credit scoring. We want to know how to improve the credit and how to safeguard your personal information, because of course that is important to you. So the credit scores are rated by these three different companies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They range from a score of 300 to 850. Like 850, perfect. Your score is one of the few things that's going to impact your ability to buy. So when you buy, the lender can only look at what is your ability to buy and what is the value of the property. So how much can you afford and how much is the value of the property? That's it. They cannot look at any other criteria. So when they look at those two criteria, how do they figure out how much you can afford to pay? It's going to be two factors to that. Number one is what's called your debt to income ratio. Number two is what's called your credit score. Your credit score, as I mentioned, they're going to be looking at about a 620 or greater is what they're aiming for. Your debt to income ratio. What the debt to income ratio is how much debt do you have that's a fixed debt versus how much is your income, including the mortgage payment. So let's say your debt is $38 every single month and your income is $100 every single month. Of course, those aren't real numbers, but they're easy numbers to do math with. If that was the case, then what your debt to income ratio would be, it would be a 38% debt to income ratio. And that just happens to be the DTI, debt to income ratio, that the lenders look for. Oftentimes, what I get asked is, can I shop around for different lenders? And would that impact my credit? The answer is yes, you can shop around for different lenders. The answer is it will not impact your credit except for a few points. You could go to 3 different lenders, 5 different lenders, as long as it's within a 45-day period. And they're going to see that as one inquiry because it's one thing that you're applying to. Now, if you're applying to get a new car or to finance some furniture or a new credit card, you want to avoid doing that during the time period that you are buying a home, because that impacts your credit score.
Thank you so much for watching my video today. If I can help you in any ways, even if just to answer a question, or if you're interested to buy a home, sell a house, or invest in real estate, call me or text 703-346-2776 or email me, dan@greetingsvirginia.com. I look forward to hearing from you and helping you, and I hope that you have the best day of your life. God bless you.